So if your YouTube feed is anything like mine, last Thursday it would have lit up with coverage of the new DJI Neo drone. This guy. I've been drone curious for a little while, and yeah, finally took the plunge on this thing because it looked easy to use, cheap enough, and yeah, a little bit of fun. So I don't think what I used it for today is all that typical of what I'm going to do with it in the future perhaps, but I went out for a little photography trip to see something that's about an hour and a half away. It's a wind turbine that a guy built in his back garden effectively. It took him 25 years to build. He spent $1 million Polish złoty on it, and the thing is incredible. And yeah, I went along to take some dreary black and white pictures of it, which you're about to see. I took this along and had never flown a drone before, just powered it up and off we went. I've never been all that interested because they looked a bit of a faff. It's another thing that I've got to carry, that I've got to think about, that I've got to take controllers for and batteries for and all that kind of stuff. But this one seemed a little bit different in that it was so simple that it would fly itself. It had these kind of pre-programmed modes that it could go off and kind of do things while I could do whatever I was doing. I think that it's done a great job for what it is, for the size and weight, the fact that you can throw it in a bag and just get that extra footage, you know, that B-roll stuff or whatever it's called, this, you know, the third person. Yeah, I really liked it for that. The quality is just about good enough, I'd say. I've read things about it being too sharp. That's probably true. I haven't worked out how to turn that sharpness down yet, so you're seeing the standard settings in the footage you've just seen. I do like how simple it is. I don't want to get involved with controllers and flying things and having to do anything other than just set it off and let it do its thing. So yeah, I think it's going to be a new kind of constant companion on my adventures, and yeah, really pleased with it. Thanks for watching.